in any photograph, if somebody clicked that photograph at any point of time in any public function or anywhere, he is a political leader, Samrat Chaudhary. So it cannot establish any, link type of thing. But in the matter of PS of Tejaswi Yadav ji, the PS Pritam called the manager of the guest house, booked a room in the name of Mantri ji, his own Mantri ji, Tejaswi Yadav. That is established link. There is a call data record. So everything in light, and Samrat Chaudhary ji himself clarified, I don't know who is he. If somebody get photographed, suppose tomorrow I have a photograph with you, it doesn't mean there is a link between me and you. So simply a public figure has so many occasions to get photographed with anyone. One should understand this first of all. And the second thing, if room is booked for a culprit, for a criminal, then it has to be ascertained and it is to be checked, investigated. Investigation is going on. 14 people have been arrested so far in Bihar. And definitely nobody will be spared in this matter. This is a matter of great concern of the future of 24 lakh students in India.
Priyanka Bharti.
He is not able to find the link between the picture, but I'll tell you what Dainik Bhaskar wrote about it, that this person, Amit Anand, handled social media account of BJP leaders. This is what Dainik Bhaskar reported. So who is this person? Who is this leader whose account Amit Anand is handling? This has to be asked. And I am in opposition. RJD is in opposition. In the center, BJP is there. In Bihar, JDU plus BJP is there. Who stopped him from investigating? They are making false allegations on Tejaswi Prasad Yadav. They are trying to mislead the investigation and they are trying to invisibilize the main culprit. Investigation is to be done on Joshi ji, on Dharmendra Pradhan, as well as on Samrat Chaudhary. And I'll also mention the fact that the mother of Amit Anand is the Jilla Upadhyaksh of JDU from Khagadia. Just ask him. So these all are the clear links. So what else link is he trying to find? We are in opposition. We are asking you, do the investigation and find out the culprit, because you are taking the students for granted. You are trying to destroy the future of 24 lakh students, and this is not the first time.
Sanju Verma, if you are going to ask for Tejaswi Yadav to be investigated for Mantri ji, then you must investigate the man whose social media account the kingpin is handling. In fact, today Tejaswi Yadav said that you want to shift the blame. आप बरगला रहे हैं लोगों को, तो आप मंत्री जी रजिस्टर की बात कर रहे हैं, where the culprit is in plain sight.
Let me first and foremost make this very clear that BJP stands in solidarity with all the students, not just the 24 lakh students who appeared for the NEET exam or the ones who appeared for the NET, UGC exam, which subsequently got cancelled. The good thing is, this Sunday, there is going to be a retest for the 1,563 students who were given grace marks, but subsequently those grace marks were rolled back. From next Sunday, 30th of June, the counselling starts and it will go on till 6th July. And on 8th July, the Supreme Court, which is seized of the matter, will take the final call on the way forward. And within all this, the NTA is going ahead with a probe. The Ministry of Education, under the aegis of Dharmendra Pradhan, has formed a high-powered committee which will conduct a separate probe, whether head should roll or not, whether Pradeep Joshi, who was earlier the head of UPSC and now heads NTA, whether he should step down or not. There is a forensic probe also going on. All that will unfold in due course. But I want to say one thing. Yahan par baitkar, when the likes of RJD spokespersons and Tejaswi Yadav say that, Amit Anand is a close confidant of Samrat Chaudhary, and Dainik Bhaskar came out with a report saying so, and because Amit Anand has been featured in photographs with senior BJP leaders, he is culpable. I'll tell you what the basic difference is, and your audience needs to hear this very carefully. At the heart of this entire controversy, Padmaja, are students. Who is the man who has made an allegation at Pritam Kumar Yadav, the PS personal secretary of Tejaswi Yadav, and dragged Tejaswi Yadav into this entire fracas? It is not the BJP. It is a 23-year-old student, a NEET aspirant called Anurag Yadav. Anurag Yadav says that one day before the NEET exam, which was held on May 5th this year, on May 4th, Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu booked a guest house for him. And Anurag Yadav goes on to say that Sikandar Yadav did this at the behest of Pradeep Kumar, Who did this at the behest of Preetam Yadav? Who in turn did this at the behest of Tejaswi Yadav? संजू वर्मा यहां दैनिक भास्कर या दैनिक जागरण की रिपोर्ट कोट नहीं कर रही। एक नीट एस्पिरेंट, एक स्टूडेंट ने सीधा सीधा कहा है तेजस्वी यादव, उनके पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी प्रीतम यादव और उनके खासम खास सिकंदर प्रसाद यादवेंदु ने उनके लिए गेस्ट हाउस बुक किया था, वो भी स्टेट गेस्ट हाउस, एंड दैट ही वाज आस्क्ड टू कफ अप 40 लाख रुपीस। अनुराग यादव स्टेटमेंट्स आर नाउ अ पार्ट ऑफ फॉर्मल रिकॉर्ड्स एंड पार्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मल प्रोब that the Bihar government is undertaking.
Priyanka Bharti will respond.
I just want to add one thing.
Priyanka
I just want to add one thing. Mr. Modi cherishes to organize Pariksha Pe Charcha, but he has not organized a single talk or single press conference himself on Leak Pe Charcha. We are really furious and we are concerned how this Lok Tantra has changed into Leak Tantra by BJP, and they are trying to misguide, they are trying to mislead the investigation. The culprit himself can be seen in the photographs with Samrat Chaudhary. बिना कोई लिंक के फोटो कौन खिंचाता है भाई? आके मैं ऐसे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी, किसी के पास तस्वीर खिंचवा लूंगी? कैसे बात करते हैं आप लोग?
बताते हैं, रुक जाइए एक मिनट, बताते हैं। एक यादव पत्रकार थे सिवान में जिनकी हत्या हो गई, उस हत्यारे का फोटो था जब ना तेज प्रताप यादव के साथ, तो यही तर्क दिए थे, कोई आया फोटो खिंचा लिया। आप राजनीति में प्रियंका जी बहुत नहीं है। बिहार में 1996 में मेधा इंजीनियरिंग घोटाला हुआ था, मंत्री थे ब्रिज बिहारी प्रसाद, लालू प्रसाद जी मुख्यमंत्री थे। 206, रुक जाइए, रुकिए पहले, ये बीच में मत बोलिए। नहीं, ये बीच में बोलने का जो तरीका,
फिर आप जवाब दीजिए।
बीच में मत बोलिए, आपके बीच नहीं बोल रहा था मैं, आपकी बारी आई मैडम, बोलिएगा।
हाँ।
1996 में बिहार में मेधा घोटाला हुआ, 246 छात्रों को गैर कानूनी तरीके से इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एडमिशन दिया गया। लालू प्रसाद जी मुख्यमंत्री थे, सीबीआई ने जांच की, अभी चार्जशीट फाइल है। ब्रिज बिहारी प्रसाद दोषी थे, उनका मर्डर हो गया हॉस्पिटल में, वो एक अलग प्रश्न है। आपका तो इतिहास रहा है घोटालों का, और चारा घोटाले की चर्चा मैं करना भी नहीं चाहता, लेकिन जो मेधा घोटाला किया था ठीक इसी तरह का पेपर, उसमें तो पूरा क्वेश्चन घर पेपर पहुंच गया था, दूसरे बैठ के परीक्षा दे रहे थे। इस बार भी वही कुछ करवाया है आप लोगों ने। जांच जारी है और जांच का सिकंजा उस हर व्यक्ति के घर तक पहुंचेगा जो इसमें दोषी है।
सम्राट चौधरी पे भी पहुंचेगा, सम्राट चौधरी पे भी पहुंचेगा।
किसी के एक चीज को समझ लीजिए, जो मैं आ रहा हूं, मैं क्लियर कर देता हूं इस चीज को। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी जो माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री हैं देश के, कल उन्होंने स्पष्ट कहा है कि नीट को भी रेक्टिफाई करेंगे, एनटीए को भी रेक्टिफाई करेंगे और एक उच्च स्तरीय जांच कमेटी बना के पूरे मामले की जांच करेंगे। 8 जुलाई को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मामले की सुनवाई होगी, उसमें जो भी फैसला आएगा उस पर चला जाएगा। लेकिन सरकार
सबकी जांच करवा दीजिए,
सबकी जांच करेगी, कोई नहीं बख्शा जाएगा।
पानी का पानी, तेजस्वी यादव की भी, सम्राट चौधरी की भी, और किसी और की भी,
सबकी जांच होगी। कोई इसमें अगर पुलिस के पास कोई सबूत आएगा,
उनको बोलने दीजिए।
Padmaja ji, I would just like to highlight within the time span of 17 months, when Tejaswi Yadav was, when the education department came under us, that time there was not a single paper leak, but the department in which was under Nitish Kumar Yadav, सिपाही भर्ती घोटाला हुआ, वहां पेपर लीक हुआ, उसकी जांच करते वक्त ईओयू को पता चला कि नीट का घोटाला भी बिहार से लिंक्ड है। So that is how I am showing these all are connected. They are connected dots with the घोटाला and paper leaks. ये पूरी की पूरी लोकतंत्र लीक तंत्र में कन्वर्ट हो गई है।